We came a long way. Look at our progress. Look at the math. Oh, look at the beauty. We did this. We did all of this. We rocked it out. We went hard. But we did all this beautiful work. Thank you to those that were invested in the YouTube channel and in the YouTube videos. I am no YouTuber, but for you guys, I'll always put out content. You guys are the MVP. You guys are the superstars. You guys are the future. And guess what? It's time for us to do the last two problems of the review sheet. Questions 99 to 100. Bam. We made it. We made it. Number 99. Make a scatter diagram, known as a scatter plot, for the data. Use the scatter diagram to describe how, if at all, the variables are related. Okay, so you have the subject, which is the person. The X is time watching TV, and Y is time on the internet. And you want to see if they are correlated, if they have any sort of relationship. So let's put TV here for X, and for Y is going to be our internet, INT. And maybe these are in minutes or hours, I'm not sure. So the first one is subject A is 9 and 14. So X is 9, which is between 8 and 10. The Y is 14. So we're going to approximate it to be right here. Let you know I have some of the worst hand-eye coordination in the world. So please bear with me. I'm going to try my best to get this correct. So it's going to go here. That's subject A. Subject B, 5 hours of television and 12 hours on the internet. So 5 and 12. Subject C, 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Subject D, 8 and 17. 8. 17. Bam. E, 8 and 18. So we'll put it right here. And F, 6 and 9. 6 and 9. There goes here. Choose a different color, but it is what it is. And G, 7 and 18. So 7 is between 6 and 8. And 18, I'm going to have to erase the D that's right there to be able to put 7 and 18. I'm going to erase E as well. So that's G. E. And I'm going to redraw D. Wait, let me make this a little bit better. So we got A. We drew A. We drew B. We got C. F is cooling. They're so close together. I want to make a good distinction. So we have 8 and 17, 8 and 18. So 8, 17, 8, 18. So this is D, this is E, and this is G right here. Okay. And the trend of this data looks to be positive. The data looks to be increasing. So we can say that the variables are related. So there is a positive relationship between time watching TV and time on the internet. And there you go. Maybe a moderate positive, could be a strong positive. Strong correlation, weak correlation. Number 100. State whether the scatter diagram shows a strong positive correlation, a weak positive correlation, a strong negative correlation, a weak negative correlation, or no correlation. So I'm going to once again draw the trend line, or the line of best fit, as we call it in statistics. And if you notice, this data set is decreasing. As X gets larger, Y gets smaller, or vice versa. As Y gets larger, the X values are smaller. So this is in fact a negative relationship, a negative correlation. So we know that it is a negative correlation. So is it weak negative or is it strong negative? I drew a line of best fit, but the points scatter from that line. If it was close to the line, it will be a strong negative relationship. But because the line is decreasing, but it is decreasing while being scattered, this is a weak negative correlation. A weak negative correlation. And for the top one, based on the scatter plot, I'm going to say it's strong positive. And that is it to the review sheet. So the answer for this one is weak negative correlation. That is it. We reached the finale. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in to the videos. Hopefully it was a positive impact on you. Hopefully it'll help you perform better on the final exam. And I'll catch you around. Take care.